your picture's location is not being added to your pictures in Google Photos. If that's the case, I might have the solution for you. So here, for example, a picture I took this morning, I have a brand new, I have a new phone, Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro, and I just noticed today, after 2 months of usage, that it does not record my the location. So if I check here my pictures, I never have any location. Here the same. Oh. And yeah, if I check any picture, for example, this dog picture I took, it has no location also. So there are several possibilities. The first one is to check that your phone gave access to your applications, but you can do that by going into settings. So this is not what happened to me, but it might be what happens to you. Check for your gallery settings, or you can also open the gallery app and go to settings, and here in gallery you have also a secure sharing option. Make sure that it does not remove the location from your pictures. So it might be one reason. That's not the case for me. I had to look a little for it. Actually, it's by opening the camera. So here I open the camera application. I go down here to settings, and here in settings, if I go down here, I have the save location info button. Now that I activate it and go back to my application camera, take a picture. So here is just a curtain. Now if I open my picture, of course, if I go in my picture, I will see that I do have information. So here I have the location has been added. If I open another picture, I will see. So here actually I tried it, I activated it. Here if I check this picture, I have no location information at all. And on the contrary, on this new picture now that I just took, I have this location information. And as I waited a few seconds for Google Photo to pick it up, if I now go to Google Pictures, I update, here I have my picture, and if I open it, I can see that I have now the location information, and it is being saved. So unfortunately, you will not get back the location for the pictures that have been taken before, while this option has not been activated. I guess it was factory setting, because I for sure didn't set it myself. So if you have also this issue either with a Xiaomi X6 Pro or with another phone, this might be the solution. But so far, I don't have a solution to add the location to pictures. You can add the location back by bunch. So if you go in Google Photos, for example, I select these 2 pictures from yesterday evening, and here I can add the location for a bunch of pictures, but you have to do it location by location. So for example, this picture yesterday evening was at the bar, but I forgot the name of the bar. It was at the bar. So you can select the location, and it will add it to all pictures that have been saved, that you've selected and have been already backed up on Google Photo, but you cannot add location by location, each right location for each picture, or at least I haven't found the option yet. I'm looking into it. Anyway, that's how you add back the location to the new pictures you will take with your at least Xiaomi X6 Pro, and it might be the case with other phones.